Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini on iPhone. First, you will need to download the official Google app from the Apple App Store. After installation, ensure your iPhone's operating system is fully updated for optimal performance. Finally, sign in using your existing Google account to unlock all of Gemini's powerful features and begin your experience. This process is straightforward and takes only a few moments. Once inside the Google app, look for the distinct, colorful Gemini icon, usually located near the top. Tapping this icon will seamlessly transition your experience from standard Google search to the interactive Gemini interface. You might see a brief prompt. Simply confirm to enable all of Gemini's advanced conversational and generative AI features. It's a quick and easy switch. Now that Gemini is active, you can start interacting. Simply type your questions or speak your commands directly into the chat interface. Gemini excels at creative tasks, like brainstorming ideas or generating various content formats. Feel free to ask complex, multi-part questions. Gemini is designed to provide comprehensive and detailed responses, making your iPhone a powerful AI companion. To truly maximize your Gemini experience, explore its various extensions, which can connect to other apps and services for enhanced functionality. You can also integrate Gemini with other Google services, creating seamless workflows across your digital life. Remember, your feedback is invaluable. Sharing your thoughts helps the development team continuously improve Gemini's performance and capabilities for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.